Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go. So basically, if you use airplane mode while you're playing Monopoly Go, you can have infinite dice rolls, right? So dice rolls are undoubtedly the most important elements in Monopoly Go. So if you have airplane mode on, you can re-roll the dice over and over and over and over again. It's like even if you disable airplane mode at 20% of the load, this is you do the glitch, right? Disable airplane mode at the 20% of locking process. And then if the trick is successful, you'll find yourself at the same place where you rolled the dice before. This is your second chance to roll a dice and get a different result. But recently, Monopoly Go has implemented a new restriction. They have a lock-in limit. So the way you do this glitch is you you roll the dice. If it's not what you want, you go back, you turn on airplane mode, and then you keep relock in, right, to get infinite dice rolls. But now Monopoly Go has added a daily lock-in limit, which you could kind of still do the dice trick here, but it's finite. So you can't just relock again, because now there's a limit to it.